Want to become a TikTok sensation? Ever wondered how the biggest TikTok stars shoot to fame? Let's talk about book Hacks for TikTok, 150 tips and tricks for editing and posting videos, getting likes, keeping your fans happy, and making money. This comprehensive guide unravels the mystery behind TikTok's algorithm, highlights the importance of user engagement, and reveals how you can monetize your TikTok success. Stay tuned as we dive into some of the top tips from each category in this enlightening book. Ready to become a TikTok sensation? Click the link below to get your copy of Hacks for TikTok now. First off, let's decode the art of video editing and posting. Now, Hacks for TikTok emphasizes that the very essence of a compelling video lies in good lighting. It's the backbone of any visual content, adding depth and clarity to your TikTok clips. So, investing in a decent ring light might just be the key to your TikTok success. Then we move on to the clever use of trending hashtags. Hashtags are like the breadcrumbs that lead the TikTok algorithm straight to your videos. They're your best bet to get noticed in a sea of millions, so make sure you're always in the loop with the latest trends. And finally, the book reminds us of the power of popular music. A catchy beat can make your video go viral, so don't shy away from incorporating chart toppers into your content. Creating engaging videos is the first step towards becoming a TikTok star. Now, how do you get those much-coveted likes and build a loyal fan base? The answer lies in the heart of this book, Hacks for TikTok. One of its golden nuggets is the importance of regular interaction with fans. Respond to comments, participate in challenges, and even host live sessions. These actions show your fans that you value their engagement, making them more likely to stick around and engage more. Another top tip is collaborating with other users. This not only exposes your content to a broader audience but also helps you build relationships within the TikTok community. Remember, we rise by lifting others. Lastly, consistency is key. The book emphasizes the need to post regularly. Consistency keeps your followers entertained and looking forward to your next piece of content. Remember, a dedicated fan base is the backbone of any successful TikTok account. By following these tips and more from the book, you're well on your way to TikTok stardom. You've got the followers, you've got the likes, but how do you turn that into cash? Well, this book has some fantastic tips to get you there. One of the top ways is by partnering with brands. Brands are always on the lookout for popular TikTok users to promote their products. So, if your content aligns with a particular brand, why not reach out to them? Another great way is through the TikTok Creator Fund. This initiative allows creators to earn money based on their video views, so keep those creative juices flowing. Lastly, selling merchandise can be a goldmine. If you've created a brand for yourself on TikTok, your followers might be interested in buying products associated with you. Whether it's t-shirts, mugs, or even a line of cosmetics, the possibilities are endless. Remember, monetizing your TikTok presence can turn your passion into a lucrative venture. So, are you ready to become the next TikTok sensation? We've covered a lot of ground today, diving into the wealth of wisdom offered by the book, Hacks for TikTok. 150 tips and tricks for editing and posting videos, getting likes, keeping your fans happy, and making money. It's clear that this guide is more than just a collection of tips and tricks. It's a roadmap to success on one of the world's most popular social media platforms. First and foremost, we've learned the importance of creating engaging content. From video editing to post timing, every detail counts. The book emphasizes the need to understand your audience and what they want to see. It's about making your content as captivating and entertaining as possible. Building a loyal fan base is another key takeaway. Engaging with your followers, responding to comments, and understanding what keeps them coming back for more is crucial. The book provides practical advice on how to build and maintain this crucial aspect of your TikTok presence. And let's not forget about monetizing your success. Whether it's through brand collaborations, merchandise sales, or the TikTok Creator Fund, the book offers a wealth of knowledge on how to turn your TikTok fame into a viable income stream. With these tips from Hacks for TikTok, you are on your way to TikTok stardom. Remember, the TikTok journey is not a sprint, but a marathon, so take your time, keep experimenting, and enjoy the process.